To add a shortcut in Google Chrome, start by opening the browser. Regardless of the web page you're currently on, look towards the top of the screen and locate the tabs, where you'll see a plus icon labeled New Tab. When you hover over it, click on this icon. Then select Add Shortcut from the options that appear in the middle of the screen. Next, type in the name of the shortcut you want to create. This can be anything, such as a specific website or page. You'll also need the URL or web address of the page you want to shortcut. To obtain this, navigate to the web page. Copy the URL, and then paste it into the URL field. While typing it in manually is an option, copying and pasting is generally quicker. Once you've completed these steps, click Done in the middle of the screen. Your new shortcut should now be visible when you open a new tab. You can click on the shortcut to access the web page directly.